Kitchen. I've got Sarah from Marshall's Hot Sauce here today, and she's going to show us how to make a barbecued bacon bean. Yes?
Yes, barbecue bacon beans.
I'm very excited. How do we start?
So I pre-cooked the bacon and just drained it on a paper towel, and we have a little bit of the bacon fat left in, and we want that.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and add 1 shallot and some garlic into the pan, and then we'll cook those down until they're nice and soft.
Okay.
Okay, and then once you have all of the nice flavor off the bottom, we're gonna go ahead and add our beans in. So it's just 2 cans of white beans. And then we're gonna add in some spices. We're gonna do just a little bit of smoked paprika, some salt, and then to make our beans nice and thick, we're gonna do a little bit of molasses, just a tablespoon of molasses, and a tablespoon of honey. And then we have this nice thick sauce, but without any corn syrup or thickeners.
That's nice.
Perfect. And then we're gonna add in our barbecue sauce to make the beans barbecue.
And this is your sauce.
Yeah.
This is Marshall's Hot Sauce.
Yeah, so this is our smoked habanero barbecue sauce. And we're just gonna add in about a cup of the sauce. And then once it's at, if it seems a little thin, you can add a little bit of stock to it, but this looks pretty good. You just don't want them to be dry.
Okay.
And then once everything is nice and heated, we'll go ahead and add our bacon that we pre-cooked in. It's kind of a nice, easy party thing to do where you can make it the day before and then just have it all ready to go and then just heat it up on the barbecue even.
We're gonna finish this up and take it outside and let somebody try it, and we'll be right back. Would you folks like to try some bacon barbecued beans we just made? Tell us what you think. It's really good. Another great success. You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmans.com. Thank you for joining us from the KitchenAid Kitchen in Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham. I'll see you next week.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.